Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to install iOS 18, the brand new version of update for your iPhone. So before we go into it, let's take a real quick look at what iOS 18 is going to bring. It's going to bring Apple Intelligence on all the new iPhone models, 15 Pros and the 15 Pro Max. The iOS 18 introduces Apple Intelligence and gives you a lot of AI features and customizations. We also have a lot of new layouts available, such as new app icons, locked and hidden apps, a bigger control center, updated gallery, as well as other controls. Now, a lot of redesigning in your galleries, your photos, as well as your messages are, update in how you see them. So a lot of new updates with iOS 18. So yeah, be sure to kind of look through them because there's just so much happening with iOS 18. It's fantastic. So I'm going to show you which phones are compatible and how to download iOS 18. So first thing you got to do is check compatibility, right? So if you see whatever phone you have in this list, you are compatible with iOS 18. So all the iPhone 16s, a lot of the iPhone 15s, 14s, 13s, 12s, and some of the 11s, as well as X models. A lot of these phones are compatible with iOS 18. Alright, so in order to go ahead and update your phone, iPhone, Apple phone, to the latest update of iOS 18, you want to go ahead and pretty much click on the settings button here. And once you're in there, you're going to scroll just a little bit down and you're going to tap on General and then Software Update. Now, once here, you're going to see the iOS 18 update. You're going to see all the information that there is, and you're going to hit this blue button called Update Now, and it's going to ask for confirmation. You're going to click Agree, Agree again for the terms, and you will update. So it's a lot of information, but it's very simple to pretty much install. So give it a second to go ahead and prepare this update, download it. It may take you a couple minutes depending on your speed of your internet as well as your phone, and then it's gonna go ahead and pretty much tell you that it's gonna install the update onto your phone after a countdown. It's gonna verify it and then essentially reboot itself into the latest update. Alright, so it may reboot a couple times depending on the update, as well as how fast your phone is. Older phones are going to take a little bit longer, but once it's done, you go ahead and open up your phone and you'll see software update completed. You're going to click continue and it's going to ask you some information. You don't have to share anything and get started. So now you'll be able to use all the different features. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.